Wood is hard source for gnawing. Sisal is a medium texture for cleaning. Loofa is a soft chew for flossing. For rabbits, guinea pigs and chinchillas. The Kaytee natural wood chews in a 3-pack assortment of carrot designs supports the chewing and gnawing activities your small animal requires. Top reviews from the United States. Hamsters loved these. I bought 4 packages of these, one for each of my Syrian hamsters. They all play with them. The paint colors are safe. They don't fall apart after just a couple of nibbles. They're inexpensive and great to help my hamsters keep their teeth trimmed.